Hi students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 8th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class. Dear students, this chapter or this video is about expansion of formula. Expansion of formula you have studied in your earlier classes, where you came across certain very common expansions. What were they? They were a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, then a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. You studied about these expansions in detail, how this expansion was developed or happened. You also applied these identities and expansions in order to solve certain situation. To remind you, if I simply say, if you have to multiply 104 into 104 according to this first formula, you will write it in the form of 100 plus 4 whole square, and you apply the expansion to get the answer. Just to remind you how it was worked. If it was 96 square, 96 square, you may write it as 100 minus 4 whole square and apply this formula. If it is a multiplication of two numbers the same way, 104 into 96, then you will write 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4 and will apply this formula, or vice versa. So certain application of formula and how the formula derived, expansion derived, all this you studied in the previous class. Little more of the same type is there in this video, which will help you to apply it whenever a time comes where you need to apply. What is new this year? Look at this figure. It's not a square, looks like square, but almost not a square. It's a rectangle. And it is, I have colored it differently with a purpose. To make it easy for you. That is the only purpose. And I'm going to mark it with its sides like A, X, B, etc. Here it is A. Here it is B. That means this is also B. Here it is X. That means here is also X. Here it is A. Here it is A. Here it is X. That is also X. So here is a square. The only square available is here because both sides are X. Understood? Now we will think about the area of this figure. Length into breadth. There is only option left. So how will it be? Here, to get the area, we need to get the area of this square. Area of this green colored, it will be X into B, B into X. Area of this color will be A into X. Area of this almost maroon colored is A into B. So we got the area by multiplying the corresponding sides of the figure. But in fact, the whole figure is having a size x plus a here, x plus a, and x plus b here. So the product is inside x plus a into x plus b. This way we can simply explain. Here if there is an identity like this, x plus a into x plus b, which are the sides of this rectangle, we can write the inside what is the area we got as its expansion, x square, ax, xb and ab. And we can see that x is common here. So we'll keep x out and we can restructure the formula like this. So we made a new expansion. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x or plus ab. Remember this. This is the first expansion you have to study. The expansion tells that, just to make you feel the expansion little important, this you have to by heart and apply whenever time comes. It is given a plus b whole cube. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब ऐसा कुछ हो गया ना, a plus b one time into a plus b once again into a plus b. मतलब a plus b whole cube का मतलब वही यही होगा ना, x cube हम लिखेंगे, इसका मतलब क्या है, x into x, the same way. If this is the case, we know that among these a plus b into a plus b, which can be written as a plus b whole square, and ये जो पहले वाला a plus b वैसा है. But this one we are familiar with. हम इससे थोड़ा पहचान है हमको last year से. What is that? It is equal to this one, a plus b whole square. We know that it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? इसका expansion है. So in that case, this became a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this a plus b as it is. Now looking at it, we remember something. How can we solve this? This is having a multiplication format here, where you have to multiply a square plus 2ab plus b square with a, and we should multiply a square plus 2ab and b square with b2. So we can write it in that way, but it will be easy for us. We will be multiplying with a whole this. That means a into a square plus 2ab plus b square. अपना एक काम वो है, वैसे हमको b से भी करना पड़ेगा. We should multiply with b. b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. अभी कुछ नया डेवलपमेंट हो गया. Now a into a cube. The same way a into 2ab, which is equal to 2a square b. Now a into b square ab square, correct? The same way here also, bracket is open now, b into a square, we can write it as ba square plus b into 2ab, मतलब 2ab square, b into b square मतलब b cube हो गया. तो फिर ऐसे देखने से हमको ऑब्जर्वेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देखने से दूसरा कुछ समझ में आ रहा है हमको. इधर देखो, इधर ए स्क्वायर भी है, ए बी स्क्वायर है, बी ए स्क्वायर है, 2ab स्क्वायर है, बी क्यूब है, राइट? ये बी ए स्क्वायर और इधर भी बी ए स्क्वायर, ये उल्टा लिखा है इतना ही है, बी एक बार ए स्क्वायर. तो here it is 1ba square, here it is 2ba square. So we can convert that into 3a square b. और ये a cube ऐसा ही रहेगा. उसका कोई दोस्त नहीं है इधर। वैसा देखा जाएगा तो ये ए बी स्क्वायर, इधर एक 1ab² एंड 2ab², तो उसका मतलब +3ab² हो गया, 2 + 1 3, और ये b³ को भी कोई दोस्त नहीं है, तो ये सही हो गया। तो हमारा एक्सपेंशन आ गया दूसरे फॉर्मेट में, a+b³ became like this. Okay, so the expansion tells that a+b³ is equal to a³ plus 3a² plus 3ab² plus b³। आपको अच्छा से याद रखना है ये। Why? Because it is very useful, very important, very important. बाय हार्ट करना है, और जब जरूरत पड़े तो हार्ट से बाहर निकाल के अप्लाई करना है। ओके, we will go ahead. a minus b whole cube. Next expansion is a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube, the same method, which is having a sense that a minus b into a minus b into a minus b, and we know that this is equal to a square, sorry, this is equal to, देखने में मालूम पड़ता है a minus b whole square, and here the a minus b alone. This we know very clearly. This is having an expansion a square minus 2ab plus b square. ये a minus b वैसा ही रखेंगे. Now we need to multiply with a to each element of this, b to each element of this. That means a into a square, which is equal to a cube. Correct? A cube minus, I am multiplying each member, minus 2a square b. Correct? प्लस ए बी स्क्वायर, एक सेक्शन हो गया, ए से मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, अभी माइनस बी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, राइट? माइनस बी इंटू ए स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स माइनस बी इंटू ए स्क्वायर, it becomes minus a square b, then minus b into minus 2ab, it becomes plus 2ab square, then minus b into plus b square becomes minus b cube. A square b, a square b, ab square, ab square. So we can see, write that a cube minus 3a square b, correct, plus, and thus plus 3ab square minus b cube. ये हमारा हो गया नेक्स्ट एक्सपेंशन. Very important, very important. Understood? A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. apply it whenever time comes. Next expansion is a plus b plus c whole square. How to do this? It is having a meaning, a plus b plus c whole square. Then it comes into our mind that a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. इतना तो हमको easily समझता है. And if you are trying to multiply each element with a, then with b, then with c, that's a normal procedure. So what I will do, a into a plus b plus c, correct? B into next number, multiply it with others, a plus b plus c, then c into a plus b plus c. तो क्या होगा नेक्स्ट इसमें a into a square plus ab plus ac ब्रैकेट हट गया प्लस ba plus b square, okay, plus bc plus ca plus cb plus c square. इसमें स्क्वायर वाला है ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर हमको दिखते हैं, उसको हटा देते हैं, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर. Then let us see how many ABs are there. This is an AB, here is an AB. इतना ही है, plus 2AB. Here is an AC, here is an AC. C and AC are same, plus 2AC. B square हमने ले लिया. There is a BC over here, here is a BC. That means plus 2BC. Okay. So this much is what is possible. इसके आगे गाड़ी नहीं चलने वाला है. So we will say that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Then we are having 2ab, 2bc and 2ac. Okay, 2ac and 2bc. This way we can say about it. Very important formula. by heart करना ज़रूरी है. जब भी सिचुएशन आ जाएगा तो अप्लाई करने. Situations are given as examples in your textbook and also given for you to practice, which I will be explaining in another video. So my dear students, the expansions you have studied last year, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a plus b into a minus b, and the new 4 expansions you studied now in this video, x plus a into x plus b, expansion of it, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube and a plus b plus c whole square. All these should be very thorough, very quickly responding, and whenever situation comes you will apply it. You will go through the examples in your textbook and you will try your own way to solve the sums, and it is quite easy, simple substitution, and you will get it. Okay, thank you.